Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Sorry to disturb you on the weekend. I had some time, so I thought we will release the February PNL, and also we will see what is going to happen to the market going forward, right? You know what happened to the market. Markets are really in bear's grip. Last few days, last week was very drastic. Continuously 7 days to be precise, markets are falling down, and it has been breaking all the supports, right? Nifty, for instance, 17,500 was a very strong support. It has closed below 17,500. Bank Nifty is holding to 40,000. So we'll see what is happening in terms of market and how it is going to span out going forward, right? So if you are following US market, you might know that even global cues are having negative sentiment. US markets alone, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq all fell more than 2 to 2.5%. The main reason was that last Friday, this consumer price index price data came month on month, which was on a higher side. So these are all the proxies for Federal Reserve to increase the interest rate. So market participants are thinking going forward, Federal Reserve may tighten interest rate, may increase the interest rate. Last time they increased the interest rate by 25 basis point. If I'm right, 25 basis point. So they may increase the interest rate. So that is the indication. These are all the proxies for Federal Reserve to increase the interest rate, right? So we'll see what is happening. First, let's go to our broker. We are using Zebu. In fact, I am AP for Zebu. Let's log in first. Okay, let me put the password and we'll sign in. Okay, this is my personal account. We hold many accounts. I'll go to reports, global PNL report. We will select, last time if you see, we gave January month, we made a profit of 1,66,766. That is from 30th 12 2022 till 27 January 2023. That was the day of January series. So now what we will do is, we will go to Zebu. We will select a date from 28th January. Yeah, we will select 28th January 2023 till when? Maybe we will select 24th also, right? When is the last day of February series? Yeah, we'll select 24th, right? We'll select 24/02/2023 and we will select NSE FNO and we will view the PNL, right? So we made a profit of around 33,013 rupees 70 paisa in the month of February. So we'll put it here. Maybe later I'll put it here. 33,317, right? Yeah, 33,017 rupees 33 paisa. So we'll make it like this. So total we made a profit of around 2 lakh rupees in the last 2 months. So date also we'll put from 28/01/2023 till when? 24/02/2023. Okay. So this is about Zebu. You can find it here. So I'll refresh also. Yeah, we'll refresh. Because many people ask, every Tom, Dick and Harry is coming to the market and they are talking about the markets, but are they making real money is the real question, right? So we'll see how we have seen how we have performed. So if you combine both January and February, it is maybe around 15%, but we have some positions also. We have some positions also which we are holding and which we may square off tomorrow also, because tomorrow we really don't know what is going to happen. Probably we are going to gap up looking at, gap down looking at the US markets, right? So we'll see one by one. We have also our US future index positions also, FIA positions also. We'll see how much they are holding. They have increased their short position in index future. That also we'll see, okay? Now, if you see Nifty index, so Nifty index closed at 17,465 levels. So that was a crucial. Now, in case tomorrow, if the market gaps down, that really depends on SGX Nifty, how it is opening, whether it is opening positive or whether it is opening negative. We really don't know that. We'll have to wait and see till tomorrow, right? In case, let's say SGX Nifty is opening positive, we may go inch up towards 17,655 levels or even 17,500 levels. Now, you may ask me why you are saying when the market has fallen so much for last 7 or 8 session, market is falling so much and still you are believing market will gap up and it will move towards 17,500. There is a reason. So, if you see India VIX, in spite of market falling for the last 7 days, in spite of market falling, India VIX is also coming down. See, from 15.5 levels, it has come to around 14.15 levels. So that's a drop of how much? Maybe more than 20 or 25%, right? So we can assume not even 25%. So we can assume that when the India VIX is dropping and when the market is also dropping, markets are likely to be stable, right? So that's what we asked in the Telegram group, and people commented lots about that. In fact, we have a very vibrant Telegram group for which the link is on the description below. If you want, you can join the Telegram group, right? So let's assume market is gapping up. So Nifty, if SGX is opening positive and if we are gapping up, we may inch up towards 17,500 levels. We'll see how things pan out, because 17,600 to 17,500 was Friday's high. So that might act as a resistance. In case we are gapping down, let's say market is SGX Nifty is negative, we are following SGX Nifty than our market. Let's say SGX Nifty is gapping down, we may go towards 17,400 levels. 17,400 is a very, very good support. In case 17,400 is broken, we will see 17,300 to 17,350 levels. So why am I saying 17,300 to 17,350 level is because 17,350 was the budget day low. So you can assume maybe it will touch 17,300 or 350 levels, or let's say 17,300 to 17,400. So this is in terms of Nifty. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is still still almost at around 40,000 levels. Now, if it breaks a 17 for this level, 40,000 level, it has already broken. In fact, Bank Nifty has closed below 40,000 levels. In case it comes down, we will see 39,750 levels, or 39,750 levels. In case this 39,750 level is broken, we will see around 39,500 levels. 39,500 was the budget day low of Bank Nifty. So you have to note this point. On 1st of February, it was the low was around 39,500, and on January also the low was around 39,500. So both budget day and before budget day, Bank Nifty was at 39,500 levels. So you can assume that we might hold 39,500 in terms of Bank Nifty, and we might hold how much? 17,350 levels in terms of Nifty. So we are believing, I am strongly believing, I am hoping these levels has to be supported. These levels will act as a support, even though it is very bearish, markets are in bearish grip. What is confusing is India VIX is dropping, markets are also dropping, and India VIX is also dropping. So that is a confusion. We have to, that is the confusion, or these are the things which are not allowing us to take some trade, right? See, if the India VIX markets are coming down and India VIX is also increasing, means then you can assume, okay, this is a bearish market and you can sell call option or you can short the market. India Nifty is also falling, Bank Nifty is also falling, but at the same time India VIX is also dropping, means there is some confusion around the market participants, right? So we'll see how things pan out. Just one more day, Monday, right? And in terms of this thing, market-wide participant, you can see that there is a huge short position in future index future index. There are 138,157 active contracts FIIs are having in future index short. So that is one concern we will have to see. That is or this is one thing which is a concern, right? Now, this is the Friday data. If I change this to Thursday data, that is 23rd of February, what has happened is 1,37,000. This long position, future long position, has had 33,087 contracts and 1,37,938 short contracts. This has future long has decreased, at the same time future short has increased. So you will see that now what has happened is long positions have reduced from 33,000 to around 30,000, and short positions have increased from 1,33,000 to 1,38,000. So with this all being said, if you see the open interest wise also, there are huge call positions being returned. PCR is at 0.07, so you can assume how much the quantity of calls being returned. From 17,800 to 18,000, all the way people are writing call options in Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty also, 40,000, last time I saw 40,000, there was a huge open interest, which means there is a short straddle being written at 40,000. So for Bank Nifty, when it comes to Bank Nifty, 41,000 huge calls are being written, 40,500 and even 41,500 calls are being written. So everywhere it is bearish, and we are having small hopes that the market may reverse because of only one thing, that is India VIX. Let us see how things pan out. Tomorrow we'll come to know whether this market is going to bounce back or not. We'll see how things pan out. And one more thing, last but not the least, even our members, not only me, even our members also made good amount of money in our mentorship program. So if you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.